Really drunk in misery. I should have played for ways to make for eternity. Now this vision is blown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever lay back?
Kala mo talaga umiinom. Kala mo lang yun.
Sato pang ano pang girl ano lang. Ang girl ano lang yan. Dali, try mo. Wait lang, wait lang. Picture ka na.
So far, I feel like catching for
Teka lang, patingin namin. Saglit.
in a fall.
Okay na.